Hopping right into this from my Etsy directions, here I am with the wire. I'm going to split it in half here and feed it through 2 of these holes. Don't worry, I have 4. That's because it was trial and error for me. And here I am securing it to make sure it's secured to the wood and strong enough here. Might have to spin it a few times, and you're going to go ahead and repeat that step for all the wooden discs. So as you can see, I stretched the wire out, gave it a little bit of a natural wave. I don't know why the video is not showing this. You'll be able to see it in the next clip real soon. I looped the top, and I have it hooked onto a push pin, and I believe I hooked the bottom as well. Fast forwarding here, you see the hoop at the top. I already attached my first disc. I decided to straighten the wire out with my hands, pulled it nice and tight as much as I could. It's not perfect. And you're going to see me now. I am measuring where to put my wooden discs. I'm doing about a wooden disc in between. And I'm fastening it with the wires. Here I'm just showing you how I maneuver the wire around the other one. If you're a wire crafter or you do earrings and stuff, it's probably going to be really easy for you to do this. It was a little bit of a struggle for me, I'm not going to lie, I was struggling, but it got it done. I got it nice and weaved, and it was sturdy, and it held just nicely, and as you can see, I'm able to spin it right back to the front, and it's held nice and tight. Now I'm just repeating the process. Now if you happen to find these directions, because I do have this video publicly posted, and you're very interested in doing this craft, please go visit my Etsy page. I'll leave a link, Kit Kat Creations Art, where you can download the full directions with pictures and links for products to buy, all for $5. This next part is pretty much up to your discretion. You could leave the whole entire craft straight, or you can bend it like I did. I decided to go every other, go right, left, and kind of create a cool abstract balance. Again, this is completely optional. Also, you also can display it horizontally on the wall, and you can do that straight. You can create an interesting design, yada yada, completely up to you. This concludes my tutorial on my celebrations around the sun. I hope you guys liked it.